On the other side of this door
is a cat.
there's a feensome cat. I don't know if we can...
You can't quite see it.
There.
There. And it's trapped us inside.
We're trapped inside. Day 37. Me and Charles Pierce have been inside for about 4 days now. We can't leave the building because of the meddlesome cat that will try and get in and fight with the dogs for power over the household.
We don't want blood and guts in them.
No, especially not cat guts. They stink. Right, we've got to find a way out of here. Get a taser. Taser the cat. That's horrible.
Sure, got a cat. Quick, where's the taser?
It's right outside. It knows we're there, doesn't it? Do you think we should wait right at the back?
Oh.
Blazer's in the back garden. Yeah.
We're kind of in a dilemma. We need to go and get Goldie. Cat's at the front door. We can't go around the back because Blaze is in the garden. Biggest dilemma of the summer. Okay, we'll go out the back gate now.
Morning.
Make sure you shut the back gate, Dad.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Go, go, go! Go! Don't stand around, Charles. It's coming towards the door. To be honest, if it really wanted to, I think it could climb over that gate, couldn't it?
Probably.
You're nice looking, but you're not very smart.
Probably one of the biggest wastes of
Film time. Film time. We've wasted about 3 minutes of film time just on a cat. But at least we haven't put it. Patch. Would you? Yeah, I like doing it, but I always feel. He always tells making it obvious to go around the back, but it feels guilty that you went around the back instead of going.
Oh, it's like that. Okay.
Was it me, or did he have a plague? It's funny when you know their nicknames. Patch, Patch. He's the smartest one in the entire household. Oh,
It's because he's not from the planet.
there he is. Don't lie. After you, Charles. I'm not ringing the doorbell.
You're going to practice? Cool. How long will you be?
Let's give him 3 hours. We don't know where he is. Oh, is he? Alright. That's okay.
Okay. See you in a bit.
Okay.
You can if you want. I got next to my credit.
What?
We need to speak to him as well. Okay.
Okay, you can ring in with my phone.
Okay. See you in a bit.
This is much better. I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, I'm walking on sunshine. Oh yeah, so yeah, if you were paying attention and I was actually filming there, we got a Mike's disorientated and thinks he's a bear, but that's always been true. But we'll take the picture frames reveal here back to don't play the gay bar music for the picture frames reveal. That's not going to make us look good. Hip hop gangsters, like music playing in the background all the time. We're on that little wooden. Oh yeah, got 2 tables and a microphone. Hello, cat.
Hello.
Quick, the front door. Oh yeah. Back gate.
No, you don't catch.
It's not even there. Not even back there. And Blaze is none the wiser.